What a day it was for XRP, and I still think that XRP is going to go way higher than $2.50. In this quick important video, I'm going to talk about the exact targets that I'm looking out for here for December as well as for 2025. I'm going to show you my trades on Margex, which as you can see are going absolutely to the moon right now, but it's still not too late. You can still join me with these positions because there is still a lot of upside potential for these altcoins. So let's not waste time. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because I'm posting about 3 or 4 XRP videos every week here and you don't want to miss them. Let's get into it. And guys, before I show you the actual XRP targets, the price action, which one of these are you? Are you a tourist? Are you an early retail investor? Are you among smart money? Are you an insider? What is your, let's say, entry price, your average XRP price? I'm very curious. Let me know in the comments. I will go through the comment section. I will reply to all of you guys. So let me know, guys. I'm very curious where you bought XRP in at. I'm personally an early retail investor in XRP. I bought XRP, a lot of XRP around 50 cents, and the current price is above $2, of course. But let me know which one you are. Maybe you're a tourist. Maybe you're just jumping into XRP, hoping to make a quick profit. I'm very curious. So XRP is doing absolutely amazing. Currently ranked number 4 on CMC. We flipped Solana, which is of course amazing to see. And we also flipped Tether USDT, where we just went below Tether once again. But the current market cap 132 billion, and I still think that there is massive potential. Let's see if we can flip Ethereum anytime soon. That would of course be absolutely crazy, but yeah, let's see. Also here on Margex, my trades on XRP, on Algorand, several other positions, my Just Me position, absolutely going insane as well. You can see on the bottom side of the screen my Algorand trade going crazy. My XRP position also more than $30,000 in profits, which is also insane. We entered around 54 cents and the current price $2.30 from the point of recording, which is absolutely crazy to see. But you can still join me with all of these positions. I still think that the altcoin market is gonna go a lot higher, so it's still not too late. Make sure that you check out my latest Algorand video here on the channel, because Algorand also confirmed a breakout here from this W pattern, and that is also amazing to see. The target is $1.26. So check out my latest Algorand video from a few days ago. It's still very relevant, and I still think that there is huge opportunity, not just in XRP, but also in Algorand. So looking at the XRP price action here on the weekly time frame, we can see this insane breakout from the symmetrical triangle formation as discussed here on the channel. So XRP consolidated in this triangle since 2018. The price got compressed, and eventually we did saw that breakout happening, which is going super explosive to the upside right now. So let's identify the next areas of resistance for the XRP price. And obviously the first one was the previous all-time high from April 2021 at, give or take, to say it correctly, at give or take $1.96, somewhere in that vicinity for XRP, and we already broke above that level, which is of course great to see. The next resistance to overcome for XRP is actually the previous all-time high from 2018, and let me actually draw a trend line for you guys. So this is the next resistance to break for XRP, $3.31. A break above that level could send XRP into uncharted territory, and that the sky is then the limit for XRP. Obviously the breakout from the symmetrical triangle sits somewhere in the vicinity of $33 here for XRP, $30 plus. Of course, take this target with a grain of salt. It is just a technical target from this formation. And also keep in mind, guys, I'm here on the logarithmic scale. I'm not on the linear chart. I'm on the log chart. So once again, take these targets with a grain of salt. It is possible that we go to that area, but there is of course no guarantee. There are no certainties in crypto. So it's always best to lock in your gains along the way up. It's super important that you pay yourself along the way up. Let's now identify some potential support areas for XRP in case we do see some kind of a pullback or cool off here in the immediate short term. And for this, I'm going to zoom into the current price action, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to sketch out a Fibonacci retracement from the start of this impulse here on the 24th of October to the current high point. Keep in mind there is no top in place, so it is still possible for XRP to extend higher without any pullbacks. That is very important to note. But according to the data that we have currently, the first support for XRP sits at the 0.236 Fibonacci level at, let me say it correctly, at $1.96 for the XRP price. So in case we do see a pullback, then that area could provide some temporary support, or perhaps maybe a reversal could happen from that area. And you can also see that back in 2021, a lot of volume got transacted around $1.69 for XRP. So just be aware of that if you're trading in the short term. Be careful with leverage, with high leverage of course, because it is possible to see a pullback to $1.69 for XRP, and from the current position that could be a drop of 26%. If that happens, then the XRP price could still remain bullish. So just be aware of that if you are a short-term trader. If you're someone that's willing to hold XRP, let's say for the rest of this year, for the rest of a big part of 2025, then buying in at $2.30 could still be a good choice, because I personally still think that XRP has a long way to the upside from off the current position. If you're looking for a way to purchase XRP, to trade XRP or any other altcoin, then use my referral link down below to Margex. Margex offers deposit bonuses up to $10,000, easy to claim and completely for free. You just need to use my referral link, because if you do that, then you will have very low trading fees, exclusive deposit bonuses, and your account is literally set up within 60 seconds. You just need an email address, a password. You don't need to verify yourself with an ID card or anything. Margex is easy to use. Definitely take advantage. You can also trade on Maxi or on Blowfin. Those links are also down below, and these exchanges are also offering big deposit bonuses right now, so definitely check them out as well. Another key chart to focus on is the XRP BTC pair. So this chart basically shows you whether XRP is about to outperform or underperform against Bitcoin. It shows you the strength of XRP compared to Bitcoin, and I'm here on the weekly time frame, and what you can see is that XRP has been heavily outperformed by Bitcoin since 2018, but right now we're seeing an interesting shift here in the price action. We're seeing strong candles here to the upside for XRP compared to Bitcoin, which means that XRP is already outperforming Bitcoin significantly. Over the past few weeks, we outperformed Bitcoin by over 234%, which is a really high number, and we are still not close to the resistance that I labeled out on this chart. The resistance for XRP valued against Bitcoin sits all the way here, still a move upwards of at least 68% compared to Bitcoin in the following weeks ahead of us. So yeah, XRP will most likely still do very great against Bitcoin, but once we are getting close to these swing lows here, actually from 2018 and 2019, then there could be some temporary resistance against the BTC pair, which means that at that stage XRP could struggle a little bit, at least temporary, against Bitcoin. But there is of course also a high probability that XRP will eventually break above this resistance range against Bitcoin, and then we will gain a lot more strength against the BTC pair. So for now, XRP is still a great buy. There is no reason to actually sell XRP at this stage. I still see massive potential, not just against the dollar, but also here against the BTC pair. Guys, bear with me in the video for just a minute or two, because I need to show you a lot of other important things as well. And here we're looking at XRP compared to Ethereum. So once again, not against the dollar, but against the ETH pair. And you can already see that XRP is outperforming ETH massively. And I still think that XRP is the best buy right now. I don't think that investing in ETH over XRP or investing into BTC over XRP is the best choice. I still think that XRP could go a lot higher against Ethereum. And if I sketch out a Fibonacci retracement from the highest point here from XRP against ETH from December 2018 to the lowest point of this chart actually here around May of 2024, then we can see all the relevant resistance areas for XRP against ETH. And I think that the first major resistance for us as XRP investors could happen here around the golden ratio, the 0.618 against ETH, and that is still move upwards against Ethereum of 84%. So I still think that XRP will outperform Ethereum over the coming weeks by at least 84% before some potential temporary a pause, a pullback, or a correction. But eventually I do think that XRP could maybe even surpass Ethereum in the next few months or so, but that of course remains to be seen. And guys, another key chart to understand is XRP compared to the global money supply, the global liquidity. And as you can see, XRP is closely tied to the global liquidity, as most cryptocurrencies are. When global liquidity increases, XRP responds with exponential moves. The 2024-2025 2025 rally looks unstoppable, and you can clearly see that. That blue line here is actually the global liquidity. When the global liquidity goes down, as you can see, that basically marks an XRP bear market, and when the global liquidity goes up, it typically marks an XRP bull market. And right now global liquidity is expected to rise massively over the coming months. We barely started. This is just the very beginning, guys. There is much more upside to come in risk on assets such as XRP. That is what I strongly believe. And I also posted this chart. The XRP rally only just started, and just imagine what could happen if we indeed see these candles to the upside, the projected pathway here for XRP. Of course, it's not going to go up in a straight line, guys. We will have some resistances along the way up, but just understand where we currently are at in the cycle. Know what you hold. I still think that right now is not a good time to sell XRP. Of course, if you invested around 50 cents or earlier, it is always a good choice to lock in some gains along the way up. You need to pay yourself, but eventually I do think that XRP is going to go a lot higher in this month, but also in the rest of 2025. And the last chart that I need to show you is actually about the Bitcoin dominance, which is currently on the verge of a huge breakdown. At least we are at the early stages of that. And what is interesting to note here is that if I sketch out a Fibonacci retracement from the last swing high, which was on the 1st of January 2021 to the lowest point actually here in September of 2022, then you can see that the BTC dominance got exactly rejected at the golden ratio here, the 0.618 between 60 and 61%. I warned you guys a lot of weeks here on the channel that that area was strong resistance for the BTC dominance. Eventually we did saw that rejection, and we're seeing the follow through to the downside right now, when this could be very beneficial for altcoins such as XRP or Algorand, for example. And if we indeed see follow through of this breakdown, then yes, we could see a very fruitful times in altcoins. So right now is, in my opinion, not necessarily the best time to be invested in Bitcoin, but actually the best time to look for altcoins here in this range to still DCA further in altcoins. The best time to be invested in Bitcoin was actually here in 2022. Had you bought Bitcoin back then yes, your portfolio had performed really well. So let's actually identify the support zone for the BTC dominance to potentially know where we should lock in profits in general on our altcoins. And for this, I'm going to sketch out the Fibonacci retracement from the start of the impulse in September 2022 to the highest point from the dominance, November 2024. As you can see, the dominance is currently already finding some temporary resistance, support, at least at the 0.236, around 56%. If we lose this area, then the next support to look at for the BTC dominance sits around 52%. And from the current position, that could be still a move to the downside for the dominance of at least, I would say, 7%. And that is absolutely huge, guys, because we've only seen a move down for the dominance so far, also 7% right now. And you can already see that XRP did about a 3 or a 4x in such a small amount of time. Just imagine what could happen if we see another 7% to the downside for the BTC dominance, guys. That would be absolutely insane. So yeah, to conclude, this is a very good time to hold XRP or altcoins, and it's important to study the dominance. It's important to not just focus on the USD value of XRP, but also focus on its value against BTC, against Ethereum, because by doing that, you will have a clear understanding of where and when you should get out of XRP potentially. That was it, guys, for this XRP analysis today. Hopefully you found the video helpful. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you want to maximize your profits in the bull run, then consider to join my trade signal group. The link is in the video description. I'm posting trade signals on a daily basis over there, always with the entries, the stop losses, the take profit levels. We're doing really great right now. Definitely check it out, guys. I want to thank you for watching, for the support. See you in the next XRP video. Bye bye.